Are you planning to work on a cruise ship but feeling confused, overwhelmed, or even discouraged? You're not alone because these are the exact questions I get every single day. Today, I'm answering the top 10 most frequently asked questions about cruise ship jobs, and trust me, some of these answers might surprise you. Hi everyone, this is Tintin and welcome back to my channel. Some of these questions na discussed ko na in my previous videos. But today, I decided to put everything together in one video para mas madali for you to understand the full picture. So if you're serious about working on a cruise ship, watch until the end because this might save your months of confusion. Question 1. I am a high school graduate with no experience. Can I apply on a cruise ship? Yes, you can apply. But let me be real with you. It's not that easy. Most cruise line prefer candidates with at least 1 to 2 years of related experience. Why? Because the environment is fast-paced, high pressure, and very demanding. Yes, may nakakapasok without experience, but many of them struggle to keep up. So my advice, even if it's entry level, get experience first. It will give you a huge advantage. Question 2. Do I need requirements before applying? No, you don't need complete requirements before applying, but you should be ready. Usually, requirements like passport, medical, trainings are needed only after you pass. So don't wait until everything is complete before applying. Start now, then prepare habang nasa process ka. Question 3. I work in BPO. What position can I apply for? Good news! BPO experience is actually valuable. You can apply for positions like guest services, front desk, reservations, customer service roles on board. If you handle international clients, that's a big advantage. Communication skills are highly valued on board, so use that. Question 4. I've done with the interview, but still no results. What should I do? This is a very common and honestly, this is where most people lose patience. Waiting time can take weeks or even months. My advice, follow up professionally. Keep applying to other agencies. Don't stop improving your skills. Remember, no response doesn't always mean rejection. Sometimes it means delay. Question 5. What age is required to work on a cruise ship? Minimum age is usually 21 years old. For maximum age, there's no strict limit. As long as you are physically fit and can perform the job, you can still apply. I've seen people in their 40s and even 50s working on board. Question 6. How much is the salary on the cruise ship? It depends on your position. Entry-level jobs may start around $500 to $1,200 per month, while skilled roles can go higher. But here's the important part. Free food, free accommodation, no rent, no bills. So you can save if you manage your money well. Question 7. Is it true that working on a cruise ship is very hard? Yes, 100% yes. Long hours, no day off sometimes, homesickness, pressure. It's not for everyone. But if you're mentally strong and goal driven, it can also be one of the most rewarding experiences. Question 8. Can I choose what country I will go to? No, you cannot choose your destination. It depends on the cruise line and itinerary. But the good side, you can get to travel to multiple countries without spending your own money. Question 9. How long is the contract? Usually around 6 to 9 months. After that, you go home for vacation, then they will give you another contract. Question 10. What is the fastest way to get hired? Let's be honest, there's no instant way, but you can increase your chances by having a relevant experience, a strong resume, practicing your interview, and applying to multiple agencies. And most importantly, patience and consistency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have more questions, comment down below. Baka next video, ikaw naman ang masagot ko. Remember, your dream to work on a cruise ship is possible, but you need preparation, patience, and the right mindset. See you in my next video.